Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So in this video I want to quickly show all Pi pioneers how you can secure your Pi wallet from scammers and fraudsters that are out there. So there has been a lot of complaint from the Pi community and both the pioneers that they've lost a lot of their Pi to scammers and fraudsters. So the Pi team has actually developed this two-factor authentication method for pioneers to be able to secure their Pi. So how this actually works is when you activate a two-factor authentication on your Pi wallet, you need to authenticate transactions going out of your Pi wallet. Like let's say you're sending Pi, so you need to authenticate it. There will be a code that will be sent to your email, so you need to get the code to authenticate the transaction before you can make any transaction. So that way it's going to reduce the amount of fraud and scam that has been happening in Pi network. And this has been disturbing the Pi community for some time now. It has even dropped the value of Pi. So the Pi team has actually developed this two-factor authentication so that you can secure your Pi wallet. So to actually do this stuff, you need to, the best browser to actually do it one is from your Pi browser, the one that is actually linked to your Pi account. Like on this video I'm still using my Pi browser for this tutorial. So when you open your Pi browser, you need to click on this home button, this home at the top center of the screen. So you click on the home button to load the URL bar. So once the URL bar load, you go to pinet.website. So I will be leaving this URL in the description of this video. I will also be displayed in the front of the screen so it will be visible for people to see. It will be in the front of the screen. I'll also be leaving this URL in the description of this video, so you can go there and see it. So when you come to Pinet website, you can see other utilities that the Pi network is actually developing. So but one we want to activate is the anti-scam. So we'll click on an anti-scam here. So once we click on anti-scam, we need to toggle on this button that is opposite anti-scam to turn it on. So we'll click on that button, then we need to verify. So verify. So when it comes in, we need to input our 24-word seed phrase. The 24-word passphrase that you have for your Pi account, you need to connect your Pi accounts here now. So you're going to put in your 24-word seed phrase here. So I've copied mine already, so I'm just going to paste this here. Please, I'll be blurring this part because I wouldn't want anybody to be seeing my seed phrase. So I'll paste my seed phrase and then I'll do unlock with seed phrase. So here now it's going to ask us to put our email. So this email is going to be the email you're going to be receiving the authentications from. So this email is where you're going to be receiving the codes when you want to make any transaction or when you want to log into your wallet. You need to receive a code on this email. So I'll put in my email here because I want to link my email to it. So my email, then I'll click on verify email. So there it is, guys. I have actually linked my Pi wallet with my email. So now I will need to be authenticating every transaction that is going on my wallet. So nobody can actually make a transfer from my wallet without me authenticating the transaction. So unless maybe if your email and everything has been hacked, and that is actually difficult to happen. So this way it's just a very nice concept to secure your wallet. So that is it, guys, for this video. Please do not forget to like this video, share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this in the future from Pi network or any other crypto community. So see you guys in the next video.